right there. Stop with all the ways that you're trying to make money from home, because guess what? They're not working. I see you out there. I see you trying to invite people over to your house, having them smell candles or try on leggings that they don't really need just to make a little bit of extra side money. I see you trying to find cute clothes in thrift stores so you can sell them online and flip them. I see you Googling late at night when all the kids are asleep how to make money from home. And let me tell you something, the truth is most of the ways that you're finding aren't really going to work. How do I know this? Because I've literally tried them all. Hello, my name's Abby Ashley and I'm a serial entrepreneur. Let me tell you though, something crazy happened to me back in 2015. I discovered virtual assistants. Now, maybe you know what virtual assistants is and maybe you don't, but for me, it was a total game changer. Literally, we were living in a basement apartment. My husband was working 12-hour days, and I felt like I had nothing to contribute. What I haven't told you about this story is that my business grew and grew to the point where people started asking me, Abby, how did you do this? How did you replace your income with virtual assistants? So I started training other people how to do the exact same thing. We now have a community of over 50,000 virtual assistants who are starting, growing, and scaling their own businesses. I've trained thousands of people to start their own virtual assistant businesses, and I want you to be next. Now, I know that we're all a little leery of these work from home ideas, and I get it. We've tried those ideas before. Right here, that was me, tried all the ideas. So what I wanna do is I wanna give you something for free. It's my virtual assistant checklist and starter kit, and it's literally the step-by-step method I used to start my virtual assistant business. So if that's something you're interested, go ahead and click the link below to download that checklist and you can get started right away.